Thank you for purchasing Testifire XTR2. In this video, we'll guide you on how to use the Detectortesters Connect app to create a test job and carry out testing. After downloading the app and registering your device, simply sign in and you're ready to begin. Tap on Create Test Job and select the relevant site from the available list. If the site does not appear, details can be entered manually. Next, select the type of test you want to carry out and raise Testifire XTR2 so the detector sits within the test cup. The LEDs will triple flash green to indicate a successful test, which will be recorded as a pass in the app. Triple red flashing LEDs indicate that the detector was not activated within 120 seconds and will be recorded as a failed test. Note it is mandatory for additional notes to be added against a failed detector. An aborted test will be reported in the app if you remove Testifire XTR2 away from the detector too early. If your Testifire XTR2 struggles to sense the detector LED, you may need to change the alarm detection settings, which can be done in the app or via the user interface. You can also retry the test or, if required, override the result. After a smoke test, clearing automatically takes place, blowing air at the detector to remove any lingering smoke. The LEDs will flash white while clearing is taking place. Clearing will last for a maximum of 30 seconds, but can be stopped sooner by simply lowering the Testifire XTR2 away from the detector. Note, clearing is not enabled after a heat test. The delayed start mode can be used to test ASD systems and flush mounted smoke detectors. Delayed start can be selected via the app or user interface, and by default, smoke generation will start automatically after 20 seconds. A separate adapter is available for this type of testing. After a delayed start test, Testifire XTR2 will generate smoke for a certain period of time. After this, you will be prompted to confirm a passed or failed test result. Once all detectors on site have been tested, you need to submit your test job. Before this, you have the option to detail any additional checks that have taken place and request a signature from your client. You can then simply submit the report where it will be stored in the cloud, ready to be accessed by your company. For further help and support, please visit our website.